Hi everyone, Lagos Housewife here. Today, I want to address a query I'm always receiving. In fact, a real query about air fryers. Lagos Housewife, the rays, are they not harmful? The rays from the air fryer. Okay, please let me tell you, air fryer doesn't have rays at all. In fact, let me show you what is inside. See this? This is what gets hot in air fryer. This is just like for your hot plate, your electric cooker, your electric kettle, your electric oven. This is what it uses, not rays. It gets very, very hot. Then behind it is this fan. You can see as I'm spinning it. What the fan does is to distribute the hot air inside the air fryer. That is actually what just air fries your whatever you are cooking, your food. It's not rays. It doesn't have rays. This is normal electric rods that heat up. Simple. So you see, no matter the type of air fryer you have, that is exactly what it uses. It's just like an oven. The only thing that makes it faster and more effective is the smaller size, so there's less space for heat to dissipate, and then the fan that distributes the hot air effectively. That is the only difference, but it's exactly like an oven, just smaller and faster. That's all. So use your air fryer with peace of mind. It's not distributing any rays. If you can be using electric pot, electric kettle, electric cooker, electric oven, same thing. So have I cleared that up? Good. Go and use your air fryer.